Good afternoon, this is Scott with another Turn World Works. It's March 29th, 2020. It's Sawdust Sunday. Wanted to say thank you very much for tuning in or clicking on. Any likes, subscribes, anything would be greatly appreciated. This week I am going back to a wood that I covered earlier. It's birdseye maple, and I wanted to focus on it because I got a couple of orders this week for some birdseye. So I'm going to be doing a European pen and a slim style pen. And I wanted to kind of focus on this wood and some of the woods that I've already gone through. I'm going to redo with vlogs or videos to kind of really show you what I got going here. So I have a nice piece of 5/4 birdseye maple, and let's take a look at this. So I flip the camera around, and here is birdseye maple. So it gets its name from these little specks, and they got the nickname birdseye because they, quick looking at it, it looks like bird's eyes, and they don't really know where the bird's eye comes from, but in doing some of the research for today's video, they believe that these are like little branches that the tree didn't quit growing. So what it did then is made these little dimples everywhere. And this is completely smooth. Birdseye comes from this specific piece comes from the UP, but it comes from the Northeast North America, and it's a really cool wood to work with. It's highly specialty. It's used for a lot of veneer work, and has connections with spirituality, healing, cleansing, intelligence, knowledge, communication, love, and prosperity. So it's really a good all-around wood. And being that it's from this piece is from the UP, I always connect birdseye with copper. Copper is a good grounding agent as well. So in copper, being the Upper Peninsula had such a strong connection with the copper industry, I like pairing those two together.